Good morning. So today I have 2 clients, so I'm just gonna get ready and then I have to clean up because my place is a mess, and then we're gonna take it so you guys can watch me and get ready and all that stuff. So I did color my hair, and then yesterday I got it toned. Sorry, my brain stopped. I got it toned, and then she used the Diva Curl products on my hair. Amidst all the controversy, I actually really like it, so I might just stick with it. So I'm just gonna refresh. This is second day hair. I got all that done yesterday, so yeah. So different, my hair. But we got the bangs. These are new. Then I'm ready, I'm all dressed. I am going to feed my dogs and then we can clean up the station and get ready. I did my nails yesterday. You can see them, but really simple. I'm using all Après products on my nails. So I have on the, I think it's this, might be Sasha. No, it's not Sasha. It's, I don't know. I'll show you later. All this mess is just the aftermath only of doing my own nails. I'm such a mess when I do my own nails. So I kind of set up different. This is where I keep my art brushes, and then down here I have all my other drill bits. Keep them in there. Everything that I use, like on the daily, I keep right on my desk. So I have my top coats, I have my primers, I have my extend gels, my lamps, my crystal pickers, things like that, cuticle oil, all that stuff. Then right next to that, that's where I keep all my hard tools after they've been sanitized and sterilized. And I also keep my fresh thing of barbicide. So, oh, this is what I used on my nails. I used Carla from the Après Extend Gel collection. And then I also used the Glitter Bomb Hypno Gel from Après. That's how we got my nails. So I'm gonna soak my instruments real quick, and then I'm gonna soak them in barbicide, as well as my drills. And I also like to soak my, what's it called? My brushes in there also. "10 minutes only. Don't let your instruments rust." I throw away other things I don't need. Clean your brushes. I suggest you do it right away. I'm lazy. I just spray it with alcohol and rub all this stuff off. course, during COVID, I'm gonna spray some Lysol. I'm going to clean it up. So I am in the process of moving, so that's why you see all these boxes, but we're just going to sweep. I get a lot of dust on my floor, so this is like a after every client thing when I have to sweep. Just because I have dogs, they help me want to keep a clean environment because they eat everything off the floor. Especially for some reason, they really love the dust. You know? Okay, so I'm gonna have some breakfast and I'm gonna talk to you guys about some of the new updates for November. I'm gonna have my chocolate croissant, and this is from 85 Degrees. If you've never been, you have to go. It's so good. But anyways, November is coming. It's my birthday month, so I kind of want to do a bunch of new things for my clients. Well, not really. I just want to. Why is it wet? So for my clients, I do want to start, sorry, it's all loud. I want to start a referral program. So I'm going to start my referral program, which is going to be $5 off for every referral booked. So the person has to book and then you can get 5% off. So if you refer like 10 people, you're going to get $50 off, you know, but they all have to book. You can't just say you referred them and then they never show up. So doing something like that is really good incentive for your clients to help you grow. What am I doing? I need a plate. I'm hoping the camera doesn't fall. But yeah, having good programs like that for your clients is really good because they'll get your name out there, you'll get more pop-in, and it's a win-win. Everybody wins. Your new client gets some new nails, your previous client gets a discount, and you get more clients. So it's just always good to have something. Other type of client programs that I have are my loyalty program. Every 4 services you get 10% off, and then for every 6 you get 50% off. So you can either save them or use them. It's up to you. Nobody really asks about my loyalty program, and I don't really bring it up just because I'm like busy doing my nails and stuff, but that is there. Yeah. You guys want to know what else I have for breakfast? So I have my chocolate croissant. I get some OJ. And then I also have a glass of water too. And then I also, salami and provolone is my favorite. So I'll do 2 provolones, 2 slices of provolone. And then I'm gonna put 3 salamis on each of these. This is just like my quick, I'm not going to the gym today, I'm going later, which you guys will see. So I just lay them on here like this, and then I just wrap it up. It's my favorite. I love it. Yeah, so what I do while I wait for my clients is I just literally wait. I wait around. If I've cleaned up and stuff, get the dogs situated, get the dogs walked and stuff, which I'm probably gonna do in a little bit. I still have a couple hours before my client gets here, so yeah. I'm gonna finish eating I'm gonna finish eating, then we'll take the dogs out, and then we'll get ready for the client. Oh, actually, right now, I'm going to remove my instruments from the barbicide. It's been over 10 minutes, and you have to be careful because you don't want your instruments to rust. Throw that to the side. I let these dry face down. I need to get some new ones because they're stained pretty bad. And I'm gonna dry them off immediately. Because I like, especially ones like these, you don't want to rest because they have like this rubber thing, like it's already resting here. The water gets trapped inside these. That's why I hate these type of cuticle pushers and nippers. Sometimes nippers have this cushion on here. They rest inside, so try to get these ones. So yeah, that is it. I'm going to finish doing what I gotta do, eat my breakfast, hang out and stuff, and then I'll see you guys when my client gets here. You know, I was trying to figure out why I look so crazy today. Besides the fact my bangs are kind of like out of fucking control. I didn't do my eyebrows. That's why I feel so weird. But anyway, right now I am heading to Huntington Beach because I have to go pick up my son. And then, yeah, I don't have another client until 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and get lunch. And yeah, that's typically how my weekends go. When I have a client, I go pick him up, I come back, we go do his sports, and then after his sports, I do my last client, and then we wrap up the day. So let's go on with it. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay, so for my next client, I'm gonna try and time lapse it also. She wants to use her natural nails, but she broke her nail really, really bad. So I'm kind of scared because I have to fix that. And then she wants to do a Harry Potter set, which I'm excited about, but we don't really know what's gonna happen because her nail needs to recover, and I really don't want to put more product on top of her nail because it's broken. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, you guys can see. I'll do a time lapse, and yeah. Okay, so that concludes this vlog, a day in the life of a nail tech. Not so busy. That's usually how my days go. I usually have 3 clients a day. Today I only had 2, but 4 is my absolute max, and I usually never get to 4. So today was an easy day, just 4, and then that's kind of just what I do throughout the day. Not a whole lot. I don't do a whole lot. But tomorrow is my gym day. Tomorrow is my yoga day. So tomorrow's gonna be a lot more busy. So should I put that in here? I don't know. Yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Just giving you guys a little glimpse of my life. I'm trying to make this page a little bit more personal. I love doing nails and stuff, but I want you guys to know me for me, not just as a nail tech, but as a human being. But yeah, I'm waiting for our pizza to come, and then we're just gonna chill for tonight and call it a day. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.